Hello friends, if there is a sound of laughter made not by the speaker but by the other people, should if it all included in the transcription full verbatim. There are option A, B option, C option, D option, E and F. So first option is not correct. Second option is also not correct. Third option is also not correct. Fourth option is also not correct. E option is correct and F option is false. This is the video for today. I hope you like the video and please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much.